What up, people? So in this video I want to talk about how I run multiple eBay stores from like different platforms. Okay, so before we start, as always, subscribe to my channel if you want to know when I upload my new videos, and turn on the bell notification so you will know with the notification when I upload a new video. So in this video I want to speak with you and share with you my experience with having multiple eBay accounts. Right now I have I have five active accounts and two new accounts that so I had eight accounts. One of them, I had six active. One of them got MC011, so I got rid of that account and I opened two new ones. So basically it is hard. Okay, it's really hard to have so many accounts and different PayPal accounts on different under a different names. And people ask me, how do you run so many stores? Like, how do you handle everything, and how do you have time to, I don't know, to list or things like people ask me, because so my secret is virtual assistants. Okay, VAs. So people ask me so what are you doing if you have virtual assistants? So this is what I'm doing. I'm handling, first of all, I'm opening new accounts. I'm handling all the documentations, if it's IDs, PayPal like restricted the account, like I don't know, like every single day we have something new. But as I said, this is the only way. Like, believe me that if I could really have only one account that was making me 5 to 10,000 in net profit every single month, and only have one account, this is what I definitely would want, only one account. But for me to make this amount and maintain, it's not only making 5 to 10,000 grand in every single month. It's not about that, because you can do even more. But the struggle is to go ahead and maintain this profit every single month, and because this is what I want. I want to have consistent income and a cash flow from eBay, and not stopping that. And I can see a lot of arguments. It's difficult. It's that, and it is difficult. But you need to understand that yes, it is easier to work with one account, and it's not that hard to scale it to like three to 5,000 in net profit if it is dollars or pounds. In dollars is a bit more reasonable and easier. But the problem is, if something happens to your account, I don't know, and like I get people asking me about suspensions, restrictions, like without reason. eBay just can suspend your account even if they like by a mistake. Okay, and they suspend your account and what you are doing. Okay, so as I explained to some of my like someone that I was talking with, that I'm not rather, but it's more healthy to have, for example, if you have one account making you 5,000, so you should have, it's better to have five different accounts, that every one of them will make you 1,000 in net profit. And why is that? Okay, because take my advice. Okay, because I was in that situation, that like I was making like 4 grand, 5 grand a month with and I had multiple accounts, but they were linked. And then eBay suspended my accounts, like one of my accounts, and all of them got suspended. And from making 4 to 5 grand a month, I was making $0, nothing. They deleted all of my listings. So what I'm saying, that why it's healthier to have multiple accounts and spread your income with multiple accounts, that yes, it's a headache, and it is way harder to do that. Okay, and like to handle so many accounts. But if you lose one account, you have 4 more. So you will not make like 5 grand, you will make 4 grand until you will build up another account. You understand? And because you need also to divide your incomes. I know that you hear all the time this sentence, that you need to divide your income with a different, not put all the eggs in one basket. So basically, it is true because I was in that place and I don't want to go back to that place, because when I was in that place in like 2 years ago, when eBay suspended, I had 6 accounts and every one of them were linked, and I didn't really know about unlinked accounts and things or virtual assistants, and they suspended all of my accounts, and that's it. And like after a month, I was broke, and I had to go and work again in a really shitty job that I hated. And from that moment and until I came back to eBay, okay, so I came back to eBay after like few months, that I paid my bills and started new accounts. So after that point, I don't ever will rely on only one income source. If you want to be an entrepreneur or make money online on eBay, Amazon, it doesn't matter, okay? If you will rely all your income, okay, you made enough money to go ahead and leave your job for 9 to 5, okay? So you're making enough money to leave your job and pay your bills. But guess what? If something happens, okay, if something happens tomorrow, what you do? You go back to your job. This is not the point. This is not why you are doing it. So like, yes, you had a great month, you made enough money, go and build another income stream, okay? This is my advice, and as I said, this is why I run multiple eBay accounts. And so basically I run them with virtual assistants, okay? I have virtual assistants that help me listing, a customer service, all those stuff, because I'm not doing that, and I use cloud servers, okay? So I use Kamatera. You can go to kamatera.com. This is like a cloud server company that you can open a remote desktop, and I'm doing everything from that. So I'm from my computer, I can log into all the other computers from UK, Israel, it doesn't matter, all the accounts that I have. So I hope that video really helps you to again, but you need to do that carefully and smart. I hear people that they're still not making even $1,000 in like their account, and they already want to open a new account and a new account. And until you will not making it at least like a 1,000 US dollars in the account, do not move to the next one, okay? Because if you're failing with one, you will fail with all of them. So make sure that you know how to make money, and then go ahead and multiply it and divide it and have multiple income streams. So that is my advice about it. If you want to have more information about unlinked accounts and how to open them and manage them, please leave your comments below so I will know that. And yeah, and that's it. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.